ConvertKit versus Mailchimp, which is best? In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about ConvertKit and Mailchimp, one of the most used email marketing softwares out there. Okay, people use these softwares to turn their emails into revenue. They use it to send their e-newsletters, do a lot of marketing about their brand or business, and gain a lot of generations. Okay, they gain a lot of sales, they gain a lot of contacts, they gain a lot of leads, and a whole lot more. So this surely does round you up to the top of the food chain when it comes to your email marketing, whether it be e-commerce, retail, design, creative, anything like that. Okay, so we're going to be talking about it in great depth. Now, as an email marketer, I have used my share of email marketing softwares. ConvertKit and Mailchimp are two of the most popular, and they both speak to a small business audience, which can make it hard to decide between the two of them. All right, I'm going to be breaking down the pros and cons for each app and talk about the differences between using ConvertKit and Mailchimp for your next email campaign. Do know this, that ConvertKit has now been changed to just Kit, okay? So just keep that in mind. I'm going to be saying ConvertKit, but I technically mean Kit, all right? Now, moving in, let's talk about ConvertKit and Mailchimp at a glance. So first of all, we're going to talk about their pricings, definitely, all right? Now, when it comes to the pricings of ConvertKit and Mailchimp, ConvertKit has one plan, all right? That's the only plan that they give you when it comes to the annual. Monthly, you can get free, okay, which is their free forever plan. You have the creator plan, which is for growing creators automating their work, which is $29 a month for up to 1,000 subscribers, where you can get an access to the creator network, paid recommendations, visual automation funnels, automated welcome sequences, integrations with third-party software, and free migration from another tool. Okay, so pretty good and decent features. And then we obviously move over to Creator Pro. Now, Creator Pro is for established creators scaling their businesses. Okay, you can get it for $59 a month for up to 1,000 subscribers. Again, now you get all the features in the Creator plan plus Facebook custom audiences, newsletter referral system, subscriber scoring and deliverability reporting, insights on the dashboard, and you also get edit links and send broadcasts with priority support. So pretty incredible and pretty fun stuff to have when it comes to softwares like these. All right, now moving on, if we go ahead and get into both of these accounts, let's go ahead and talk about the pricings of this as well. You can come here and you can see the monthly pricing for Mailchimp is free, essentials, standard, and premium. Now, the free plan is obviously limited to 500 contacts for $0 a month, where email support for first 30 days is given. The reporting and analytics are limited, and obviously you don't get a lot of features, but obviously with the upper plans, which are pretty cheap, $13, $20, and $350, you get a good markup for your price. Okay, so decent features for all of these, and you can check them out yourself at mailchimp.com/pricing. All right, so once we have talked about all of that, let's actually head into the home dashboard, okay, where we can see both of them in front of us. So this is the main home dashboard for Mailchimp. This is the main home dashboard for ConvertKit. Now, at a first glance, ConvertKit is best for creators and small e-commerce business owners. It offers more email automation flexibility than Mailchimp, but its reporting capabilities leave a lot to be desired. Okay, Mailchimp, on the other hand, is best for small to medium-sized businesses. Its wide variety of well-designed templates make branding a breeze, and detailed reports allow marketers to gather essential performance data. So when it comes to actually comparing their features for the pricing, I'd say ConvertKit has limited free versions for up to 300 subscribers and unlimited email sends, with Creator and Creator Pro versions, which start at $15 and $29 a month for 300 subscribers. Obviously, Mailchimp, on the other hand, has limited free version for up to 500 contacts and 1,000 email sends per month. Okay, so technically, Mailchimp takes the pricing win. Now, email creation, on the other hand, for ConvertKit is basic email creation with editors using your own templates or based on pre-made starting points. Mailchimp, on the other hand, has given you the choice between the classic drag and drop editor with templates, a code your own option, and a new AI enhanced builder that you can find right here in the campaigns section. Okay, how cool is that? Then we move over to the design and templates, where in ConvertKit you get text and image only capabilities with 15 basic template options. On Mailchimp, on the other hand, you get high design customizability plus 13 common layouts, 100 pre-designed templates, and a whole lot more to go with. Now, when it comes to the A/B testing, Mailchimp obviously gives you a great bundle. Okay, it's not available on the free plan, but if you go over to the automations, you can get all the paid plan procedures in this. Okay, so basically what I'm talking about is it enables subject line, design, content, and send time testing. The A/B testing on ConvertKit, although on the other hand, is a bit lightheaded. Okay, you can only test your subject lines, not a lot. So, it doesn't give you a lot to work with. And obviously, contact management is amazing for both of these. They both give you really flexible features with great segmentations. Same goes with automation. And if it comes to, the main verdict, the Mailchimp servers are best for small businesses and brands that prioritize design and detailed reporting. ConvertKit, on the other hand, with its ease of use, gives people like creators, solo sellers, and users that prioritize highly customizable automations a better software to work with. So the pros and cons and details are right in front of you. The ConvertKit's strengths are its flexible contact list management that you can pretty much use through your subscribers. Okay, you can create segmentations, increase your automated capabilities, more landing page templates, and a whole lot more. Okay, so personally, again, if you're a small business owner, go with Mailchimp. But if you are running an enterprise or you maybe are a creator, I would definitely suggest going with ConvertKit. So yeah, that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end. Make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.